Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fondue pot from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart CFO3SS Electric Fondue Maker. The Cuisinart CFO3 offers contemporary convenience with an easy-to-use electric fondue pot that provides variable temperature controls and eliminates the need to pre-melt chocolate when making chocolate fondue. The Cuisinart offers stylish, easy-to-clean design and comes with all the essential basic accessories such as fondue forks, etc., so you can get on and start making and enjoying delicious fondue straight out of the box. This model is stainless steel and dishwasher safe, meaning your fun fondue evening won't be dampened by endless cleaning afterwards. The fun of fondue gets a sleek and convenient makeover with the Cuisinart electric fondue pot. Designed for use with oil, broth, chocolate, or cheese, the set combines powerful electric heat with easy temperature control and handsome but tidy construction. The 3-quart stainless steel bowl is lined with non-stick coating for keeping heated foods from sticking, and the stand, bowl, ring, and temperature probe all assemble and disassemble easily. Best of all, you can change the temperature setting with a simple turn of the dial to adjust for different ingredients or the passage of time. For cleanup, run the entire set, temperature probe and cord removed, of course, through the dishwasher. A set of 8 color-coded fondue forks is also included. Number 2. Von Chef Fondue Set with 6-fork stylish cast-iron porcelain enamel pot. The Von Chef Fondue Set, while best suited to the more familiar cheese or chocolate fondues, is nevertheless an attractive functional fondue pot, offering stylish cast-iron design in a bright, eye-catching color, cherry red, coupled with the practicality of an adjustable flame burner, and space-saving, portable design, ideal for stylish apartment living. It comes complete with fondue forks, so you can get started with cheese or chocolate fondue fun straight away. You can even indulge your sweet tooth by dipping fruit into a pot of melted chocolate. The burner is suitable for use with both methylated spears or solid fondue gel, features an adjustable flame and snuffer to maximize safety. The pot also features a splash protector ring to guard from injury while you cook. The set is made from durable and sturdy cast iron, and the fondue pot itself is also enameled, which makes cleaning extremely easy. The classic Alpine dish. Best results are achieved by combining 2 Alpine cheeses such as Swiss, Gruyere, or Fontina, and mixing with a little acidic liquid to break up the natural stringiness such as a dry white wine or lemon juice, and a thickener like flour or cornstarch. Number 3. Wilton Chocolate and Candy Melts Melting Pot. If you want the best fondue pot that can melt candy and chocolate of any color or flavor, the Wilton Chocolate and Candy Melting Pot is your best option. This Wilton melting pot will allow you to produce chocolate-coated strawberries, pretzels, K-pops and so many other delicious treats. This electric melting pot is convenient to the user and easy to clean up due to the removable silicone pot. It is sturdy and long-lasting with the ergonomic, resistant to heat handle. This particular fondue pot is easy and safe to operate, as the heating base is made to be cool when touched. You can also keep this fondue pot rock steady while melting your candy, as it comes with rubber feet that you can stand on your countertop. To be precise, this particular fondue pot is all for melting chocolate candies, which you can use to decorate perfect delicious treats. The chocolate melted in this pot comes out cleanly with a gentle squeeze due to the silicone coating of the pot, and this makes the cleaning process very easy and safe from the dishwasher. The mechanism of the Wilton Chocolate and Candy Melting Pot has 2 pouring sprouts which make it easy for pouring. They are also the best feature to use in fill decorating bags, or when you want to sprinkle the melted candies directly on your treats. Number 4. NutriChef Countertop Fondue Pot Electric Fondue Set. This particular fondue pot is the best to give you and your friends or family a memorable night or day of fun. It is a fondue pot to use if you want to serve delicious treats or assorted kinds of food. To prevent confusion of your guests, this fondue pot comes with 6 sets of color-coded forks, so that everyone will know the fork that belongs to them. The NutriChef Countertop Fondue Pot has an adjustable knob for temperature control. This will enable you to control the heat to the level that will be suitable for your fondue to avoid scalding or burning. The removable cooking and serving bowl of this particular fondue pot makes it easy for you to melt either cheese or chocolate. This particular NutriChef fondue pot is resistant to heat, which means that you can use high temperature on it to melt all sorts of food. You can even use this fondue pot to cook meat without causing any damage to the pot. Number 5. Cuisinart FP115RS 13-piece cast iron fondue set. If you want to have the traditional fondue experience, this fondue pot is for you. This is the best fondue pot made for beginners. You can easily and effectively serve a delicious meal for 2 to 4 people with this fondue pot, and clean it up easily also. It has a red enamel to make it lustrous and sturdy. You can operate this particular fondue pot with either methanol or sterno, which are easy to locate. It is a low-cost product, yet it is a functional burner with stainless steel appearance. This fondue pot is affordable for all, even with all the accessories it has. Although it is a bit heavy due to the cast iron construction, it distributes heat evenly and can hold temperature. There is also a ring on the burner which will ensure that your food is always hot. You can even use it to control the temperature so as to prevent burnt chocolate. The cover of this particular fondue pot has an 8-pointed star cutout, which will enable you to rest your fork without the fork sliding down. It also comes with 6 forks for your convenience. Number 6. Cuisinart CFO 1000 Lazy Susan Electric Fondue Maker. This fondue pot makes fondue making simple and easy to prepare. It comes with its own accessories like the rotating Susan ring, 8 stainless steel forks, cup brackets, fork ring made of stainless steel, and 4 stainless steel serving cups. The Cuisinart CFO Electric Fondue Maker ensures that you will get the best fondue results with its heating element that uses 1000 watts. This feature makes sure that the pot heats up very fast to distribute even heat for the entire cooking session. With the help of the thermostat, you can use this particular fondue pot to cook all sorts of food like meats, fish, cheese, chocolate fondues, and poultry. All you have to do is to choose the temperature that will be suitable for each food and set it on the thermostat. Number 7. Chocolate Fondue Maker. This fondue pot is a must-have if you're the type that likes to enjoy movies or games night. It is so simple that you can use it as a gift item. With the Chocolate Deluxe Fondue Maker, you don't need to fear that your chocolate might burn because it operates at the perfect temperature. This particular fondue pot can be easily cleaned, also it is the perfect one to use for a little family gathering or office party. It serves dual purposes. This means that you can effectively use the chocolate fondue maker to melt or warm your chocolate. The bowl and serving tray of this fondue pot can be removed, making it easy for you to clean up. Number 8. Acock Electric Fondue Set Stainless Steel Fondue Pot. This product is one of the best fondue pots that you can use to have fondue fun times with. You can operate it with sterno. This enables it to heat up faster and melt chocolate just in 3 minutes. Also, you can easily use the Acock Electric Fondue Pot to melt a whole bag of chocolate bars or chips. It is also easy to store due to the magnetic cord attached to it. The 8 forks it comes with are all color-coded, so your guests won't be confused as to which fondue fork that belongs to whom. This fondue pot is set at the appropriate temperature so that it can be used as a warmer and also boil water. You don't have to fear of hot oil or broth splashes with the Acock fondue pot because it is safe. In fact, this fondue pot is portable and fanciful to give the owner a sense of pride while showing it off. Number 9. Nostalgia FPS 206 Cup Stainless Steel Electric Fondue Pot. The Nostalgia Stainless Electric Fondue Pot is your best rated fondue pot with great reason. Having a 6-cup capability, this kitchen gadget could make around 3 pounds of your favorite fondue, which makes it ideal for dinner parties or parties. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this fondue pot is ensured durable, meaning it's going to continue in your kitchen for a lengthy time. Using its cool touch handles, this item is ensured safe and simple to take care of its removable kettle. Additionally, it includes 6 color-coded forks, which means that your group can function handily. Additionally, this collection could be disassembled effortlessly, so that you can clean this up right after use. On the flip side, there are claims that its temperature controller can be very fussy. It should also be mentioned it may be very tricky to wash out the kettle's base. Given its quality and ample capability at a favorable price, however, it is nevertheless a fantastic fondue spouse. 6 color-coded forks allow guests to serve themselves decadent chocolate fondue, delectable cheese dips, and more with the included 6 color-coded forks. Notches in the rim hold each fork in place. Durable construction, high-quality stainless steel construction, makes this a sleek and durable tabletop unit, fit for any party centerpiece. Detachable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 10. Arteza Fondue Pot Set. A fondue pot that contrasts you out of the outer and inner is your Arteza Electric Ceramic Fondue Set. This is one place that touches our expectations. First of all, it may take around 2 jumble of melted cheese, chocolate, or caramel. It includes adjustable rotary heat management that absolutely melts the cheese chocolate in 5 minutes. The temp of the one is greater than efficient, and others too. It employs the North American power standard that is 120 V, 60 Hz. The set includes a single ceramic bowl with a handle, 6 fondue forks with heat-proof handles. The set includes 2 gut color alternatives, white and black. Having a shiny rose gold foundation, the mix, black plus rose gold or white plus rose gold, seems fantastic and matches any table ornaments. It is possible to use it for home or industrial use. The collection will impress your guests with its tastes and looks to get delicious treats. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.